Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce, Ulhasnagar. This is SST College Udipedia. Myself, Dr. Zadev NL, presenting caption writing, which is prescribed for writing and editing skills for TY, BA, MMC. My dear students, while writing caption writing, few things we have to understand. On that things I am going to tell you the very important and valuable information. I will tell this slide wise. In first slide, see what do you mean by caption. Okay, first we have to see what do you mean by caption. So caption means, a caption is a mini story that answer all questions about photo, and next require time, thought, research, variety and consistency to write. So these points are very important while writing caption of any photo. So what it indicates? It indicates that research, varieties and consistency of a message or news. So this is the simple meaning of caption. Already I have told you that caption means is a mini story that answer all questions about photos. Now see next slide, see that is also caption writing also referred to cut line. Every photo should have a caption for adequate identification of its contents and to ensure its historical values. See my dear students, every caption indicates its historical events. Caption writing is very important because it may be after some days it includes into historical writing, and while writing caption at that time you have to be certain that you write cut lines but not cut the lines. So whatever you writing, that must be in a meaningful one, and whatever the sentence you write, that sentence must be interested for the readers to read a particular message. But you don't cut the lines, but your caption must be a cut lines only, that is not long sentence. Don't use hard words, complicated words. Now see here, next slide, what are the elements of caption writing? First one is lead in. Okay, so what is lead in? So lead in is a type of a news writing. So lead means a first paragraph of news. Okay, so it indicates here few words of the first sentence set in a type and or font which distinguishes it from the rest of the caption. So in caption writing you must use what? A few words only and few sentences. Don't use more and more and more words. So don't use maximum sentence what you are trying to give a news for the particular newspaper. Your words must be simplest one, your sentence must be simplest one, and that should be a very interested and that should be very simple for reading purpose. So everyone can attract towards the readers, towards the newspapers. So for this, the first element of the caption is your news must be, your caption must be a lead-in one. Okay, now next one is here, what are the next elements? That is catch lines. So this is very important for all of you. So catch line means, catch lines are that individual mini headlines at the beginning of the caption, and their main advantages is that they serve as a astonishers or impact words to lure the reader into the caption body. So your catch line must be what you call astonishers one. Your caption must be what you call surprised one. Your caption should be what you call impacted one. Okay, to lure the reader into your caption body. And next here, catch lines help to prevent the monotony that results when too many captions have the same style of opening. So these catch lines are very important for writing a caption. So catch lines, without catch lines your caption writing will not be interested and what we call will not be lured to the readers. So what are the next elements here now? description of the action. So what you are described in a caption, that should be in a sentence. What is happening into the photo, this part is written in present tense only. So for this purpose you can use simple present tense. Already I have given in the bracket subject plus verb 1 plus object. Your caption writing may be in a simple present tense. Your caption may be in a present continuous tense, subject plus helping verb. In bracket I have given you am, is, are, bracket close, plus VING plus object. Now this may be in a present perfect tense, that is subject plus helping verb, have, has, bracket close, V3 plus O. So in this present tense your caption description should be there, because it attracts to the readers. So what is going on, what is the photo, that photo should be described in present tense only, because it should be reader should note that that is live message. So don't use that past tense. Now see, do not simply tell what is obvious in the photo. Okay, this point is very important. So do not simply tell what is obvious in the photo, only write simple sentence only. So reader can watch, reader can get curiosity about the photo. That means, oh, what is the things in this and this photo. In next lecture I will present with photo. Okay, just I want here one photo, but due to some times I have not given here photo. Now see, so in photo, that you readers must be curiosity to get a knowledge about the photo, and what photo's information must be in a simple tense, present tense only, or continuous present tense only, perfect tense only. Okay, in next slide, now see here elements of the captions. Description of the action. While you are writing a caption writing, at that time you have to know, okay, 5 questions in your mind, 5 questions. Which are those 5 questions? W5s, we can say, yeah, W5s. See, who, what, where, when, why and how. While writing the caption, that at that time the question must be arise in your mind, that for whom I am going to write the caption, for what purpose I am going to write the caption, where means the place, for which place, for which region I am going to write the caption, when, here mention the time, when, it means maybe the present or past. Okay, so this when also includes descriptions. Then why, what is the reason behind the writing the captions, and afterwards how your caption writing may be interested to the readers, how your caption writing may be useful for research work, how your caption writing may be very valuable for a particular evidences. These 5 questions must be arise in your mind. Now make sure to identify everyone by name, guide or position. While writing the caption, just before the photos, there must be what? Must sure to identify everyone by the name must be there. Then guide, it means what is going on in the photo. Then position of the particular person, it means designations. For example, you can use a president, principal, teacher, okay, prime minister. Like this position you must be used in a particular photo which you are writing a caption on the particular photos. Okay, now see here what will be the important now and 20 years from now. Okay, see here what is the importance of this last line, what will be important now and 20 years from now. So your caption writing must get for valuable things, for what is the importance of this caption in present era, and what will be your caption writing after 20 years. Okay, it must become evidence for the particular scene, for particular point. It will get your caption writing will help to the researcher. Okay, for that purpose you have to use all these things. In next slide also I am using here a little something extra. In your caption writing there must be some little things must be there, which must be extra one. What? Include any information that might be interested to the readers. Tell what precedes the actions, what was the outcome of the action, or any little known fact concerning the action. Write this in past tense only. Okay, whatever you want to write in a caption, that may be extra one, that extra thing must be used to write in past tense only. But whatever the first stage of the caption, you must write in present tense. Already I have told you that. And whatever the why word is used, I have used, and what how question you should use at that time, you can use here past tense. Okay, now next here direct quotation. Okay, this is also very important things. Okay, direct quotation means an expanded caption can include quotes from the subject about his or her reaction to the action in the photo. Provide one of kind human interest appeal. You can also use a quote, that may be expanded caption. Okay, and it will give a reaction to the action in the photo. It will become what you call very attractive one. Reader can read a face of the photos. Reader can understood the what you call the information which is mentioned before, below the photos. According to the information, that reader can read the faces of the photos, and it will give what you call, it will provide one of the kind human interest to appeal. Now see next, now see elements of the caption. Photo credit. Okay, so photo credits are available for two reasons. They give credit for difficult, often thankless job. Okay, when you mention your news by caption writing with the help of photo credits, it reduces your thankless job. Which thankless job? You should not write long story, long news. So only photo can indicate your thankless job. Reader can understand many more things in caption writing with the help of photos. So photography seems to improve when it becomes public knowledge who is responsible for the work. See, so the photo knowledge increase the public knowledge. Even people also don't have much time to read more news, to read a long news. For this purpose, people can only watch a photo and understand a particular news. So this photo credit is one of the element of writing caption. Now next one here. Okay, so my dear students, these things are very important for the caption writing. I once again thank you all of you.